Hello everyone, welcome to Joy's World. Hope you are all fine. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how and when to introduce books to your kids, to your babies, to your toddlers. There is no right age when you should introduce books to your kids because you can start from the very beginning, from the day they are born. Yes, you heard it right. You can introduce books to a 0-month-old child also. Before moving further, do hit the like button if you like my video. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and do share my video with others. It will definitely benefit some or the other. Way you should introduce and how you should introduce it differs for the age for different ages kids. Like when children are just born, when they are 0 to 3 months old, they are generally lying down. So when they are on your lap, or when you are feeding them, you can read books or read aloud some words, some songs or rhymes to them, and they do listen and they do try to catch and recognize the sounds. So this is the first stage. And when the baby is 3 to 6 months old, then it can focus on some things, some toys and all. It looks into the mirror. So at that time it can hold things. At that time you can introduce some board books to them, so that they can look into the bright pictures and you can read aloud. And at that time also you have to sing a song to them about certain stories. You can make songs and you can read aloud to them. And when your baby is 6 to 12 months old, between the age group of 6 to 12 months, when the toddler can sit upright, can hold things, so at that time you can introduce some more bright colored books, board books which has big pictures in them. And you should read some things, some words which are commonly used, or which like bottle, milk, and mama, daddy. All these things you can read them aloud, these words. You can show pictures of these things on the books, and they will really connect with that. They will really try to recognize, and they will try to repeat the words which you are saying to them. And at this age, when the toddler is 6 to 12 months old, they put everything in their mouth. So use plastic cover books or board books, which so that children they don't eat up the book, because they have a habit to put everything in their mouth at this age. And they will be recognizing more things, and you can ask them certain things, pointing towards a particular picture, and ask them what it is, and they will surely try to reply. And then comes the age of 12 months to 18 months. This is the age when their attention span will increase. They will pay more attention to certain things, and they will be, so you can introduce big pictures which have 1 to 2 sentences in them. You can introduce colors, you can introduce shapes, animals, fruits and vegetables in these story books, and you can read them aloud. You can make up a story with these pictures, even if it is not a reading book, because this is the age when they will not actually read, but they will try to speak more. So they will be engaged in listening to new words, new sounds. So it is this is a very good and important, crucial time for their language development. So do introduce much easier words, day-to-day practicing words which we use in our daily conversation. So they will really learn some new words. The language for their language development, this age is very correct. And then comes the age of 18 to upwards, like 2 years, and then 2 to 2.5, 2.5 years old. So at this age they will be able to pick up a book themselves, and try to flip the pages, and they will point out certain pictures, and they will be more engaged and more interested in new things. They will be curious to know about new things. So this is the time when you can read longer stories to them, and some particular stories, and you can ask them to learn these stories and say on their own. So this they will be speaking up more, and they will be telling the story on their own. So at this age you have to tell some longer stories and make them learn the stories too, so that they can point at the picture and they will start to read out. And then 3+ and more, this is the time when they will be learning writing and reading. So you can take those books familiar to the words or alphabets they are being learning at their school or from their school books. So the familiar words they will be reading, they will be trying to read in those books. So that will help them comprehend more the words, and they will be able to read much better when they are engaged in writing or reading their school books. So these are some of the points which you should consider while introducing the most important thing to your child, that is reading and books. And this doesn't have any right age. You can introduce books to your kids at any point of time. If you have not introduced it earlier, you can introduce it now, and do not feel pressurized to finish up the story. Let them sit at the point where they are not interested. Just leave it and don't try to finish the story at one go. They will sometimes read, they will sometimes listen, they will not sit sometimes. So it's okay if they are not sitting at one stretch, but you can slowly introduce them, slowly you can do that. So these are some of the points which you should consider while introducing books to your kids. Hope these points are helpful to you, and do share the video with others, and do subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and do hit the like button if you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.